Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong issue on Instagram. Often we use third-party app due to which we get this problem on our Instagram application. But you don't need to worry, I will let you know the solution. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your mobile settings. And in settings, you have to scroll down a little bit, tap on this apps, go for this manage apps, and you have to search for Instagram. Tap on it, and now you have to offload the Instagram application. So just tap on offload app, or you have to tap on this for stop. Tap on OK, and now you have to delete this application. So tap on this uninstall and tap on OK. Now go to Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and you have to reinstall this Instagram application. And when it's done, you have to open the browser and you have to search for this Instagram login. Just tap on this first website, and now you have to log into your account. So enter your credential and log into your account, and now you can see your account is open in Google browser. Now simply tap on use Instagram app and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.